So what stocks should you buy during this summer? I've had a lot of people ask me this, which is weird because first thing I have to tell them is I'm not a financial advisor. I can't tell you what stocks to buy or to sell, and I'm not even an expert in investing. I just invest my own money, and so far over the long run, because I now better understand myself, I've done okay. But you know, there's a lot more to be learned. And a simple thing that I told one of you subscribers that I would like to tell everybody is just buy more of the stuff that you already like. Yes, I will make some more videos about stocks that I do like, maybe new stocks that you have heard of but maybe don't know anything about yet. But the truth is, if you look at the stocks you already own and you were bored by the story, but the story is either the same or it has improved and the price has gone down, why not just buy more? That's an idea, right? I mean, if the quality of the product that you're buying is the same or better than when you initially bought it and it's on sale right now, then what are you waiting for? Are you waiting for the price to go back up so you can rush and buy more when it's more expensive? I mean, think about it, right? Buy low, sell high. Not really rocket science, is it? And I know it's a lot harder than what I'm making it sound here, but maybe you should look at your own portfolio and say, this stock is actually, the stock itself is not doing great, but the company is. So maybe if you have a little bit of money lying around and you want to invest, look at what you already have. It may be a screaming buy, and there's so much to buy right now in the summer. The summer doldrums are really upon us. There's a couple of stocks that are doing really well in the industry that I like the most, but really most of the stocks are just dead or getting hit really hard. That's how you make money. You buy low and you sell high. That's it. That's all I have for today, because really I'm lying in a hammock, so you're not really gonna get super complicated, highly edited advice today. Maybe some other day, but this is all I got for today. Something to think about. Hey, maybe if you make some money you can thank me later. Alright, that's it for today. Take care. See you next time.